Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download the SoFi application on your iPhone. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, launch open your App Store from your iPhone. Now go to the search box and type in SoFi and search. Look for this SoFi Invest Simple application from SoFi Securities and tap on the Get button to begin downloading the app. Wait until your application gets downloaded on your device. SoFi is a mobile banking application that offers a range of financial services, including checking and savings accounts. In order to launch open the application, tap on the Open option that you see right after the application download is completed. And that's how easily you can download SoFi application on your iPhone. You can now start signing up or log into your existing account with the help of the application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.